This is an update of the fishing boat since my last video. On the inside of the boat, I was having problem with too much friction around the drive shaft. The drive shaft was made out of a plastic tube and a plastic sleeve at each end. I found sometimes I need to turn the power way up to get it to start turning. So in order to solve this, I did a couple of things. First is I increased the gear reduction ratio from 2:1 to about 4:1. So that's a 100% increase and effectively double the torque available at low speed. I added a ball bearing at the top end of the drive shaft. I also replaced the lubricating oil with a much thinner and lighter oil. The plastic sleeve at the lower end remained the same, and because I have increased the reduction ratio, I have also slightly increased the pitch of the propeller so that the boat does not get too slow. So after these improvements, the drive shaft is now much more smoother and much easier to start turning. And it's very easy to control as well. At low speed, I can get it to slow down, and it just suits a little scale boat like this. And it has also fixed a small leak in the drive shaft. On the outside, I added 2 navigation lights. These are 2 LEDs, and they draw power from the receiver. The receiver output 5 volts, and these 2 LEDs are connected in series. So each of them gets 2.5 volts. I asked my daughter to make a rubber band, which I installed at the front of the boat, just in case it crashes into something. And it can also be used when it needs to push another boat. It's probably more for a tugboat, but I think it works well here and it looks cool. I have also added a ladder and a handrail on both sides. And these are 2 pipes for ventilation for the cabin, I believe. I previously thought they were exhaust pipes, but it turned out to be for ventilation purposes, so I have modified them. So at this stage, I don't plan to do anything else with this boat, and I consider this project complete. I have had a lot of fun building and sailing this little fishing boat. At the end of this video, I'll add some clips of recent sailing, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.